to a virgin betrothed to a man whose name was Joseph, of the house of David. The angel said to Mary,
Rejoice, highly favored, one the Lord is with you. Blessed are you among women.
Mary was troubled at the saying and considered what manner of greeting this was. And the angel said to her,
Do not be afraid, Mary, for you have found favor with God, and behold, you will conceive in your womb, and bring forth a son, and shall call his name Jesus. He will be great, and will be called the Son of the Highest.
Then Mary said to the angel,
How can this be, since I don't know a man?
and the angel said to her,
The Holy Spirit will come upon you, and the power of the Most High will overshadow you. Therefore, the child to be born will be called Holy, the Son of God.
Mary said to the angel,
Behold, I am the servant of the Lord. Let it be to me according to your will.
and the angel departed from her. Then Joseph, her husband, being a just man and not wanting to make her a public example, was commanded to put her away secretly. But while he thought about these things, behold, an angel of the Lord appeared to him in a dream, saying,
Joseph, son of David, do not be afraid to take you, Mary your wife, for that which is conceived in her is of the Holy Spirit, and she will bring forth a son, and you shall call his name Jesus, for he will save his people from their sins.
Then Joseph arose from sleep and did as the angel of the Lord commanded him. And it came to pass in those days that a decree went out from Augustus that all the world should be registered, so everyone want to put her city away. And Joseph also went out from Galilee to Judea, to the city of David, which is called Bethlehem, to be registered with Mary, his betrothed wife, who was with child while they were there. She brought forth her son, and wrapped him in swaddling clothes, and laid in a manger, because there was no room. That night, in the field near Bethlehem, some shepherds were keeping watch over their flock by night. And behold, an angel of the Lord stood before them, and the glory of the Lord shone around them. And they were greatly afraid. Then the angel said to them,
Do not be afraid, for behold, I bring you good tidings of great joy, which will be to all people, for there is Lord lying in a manger.
wise men from the east came to Jerusalem. Where is he who has been born, the King of Jews? For we have seen a star at our distance. He was troubled, led and called the chief priests and scribes, where the Christ was to be born. Go and search directly for the young child, and when you found, bring me word that I too may come and worship him. When they had listened to the king, they went their way, and behold, that star which has been seen in the east, in its rising went before them, until it came and stood over the place where the young child was. Then they showed the star, they were tarrying with joy, and on going into the house. They showed the child and Mary his mother, and they bowed down and worshipped him. Hence opened their treasure box, they present to him gifts, gold, frankincense, and myrrh.